Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the stock market, the financial markets. My name is Mr. Orange and today we talk about Ubisoft Entertainment. You know, guys, I talked about the stock already several times and I'm invested in the stock myself. I'm not a financial advisor, of course, retail investor, YouTuber. This is for entertainment, information purposes only. And guys, don't buy any stock I'm talking about on my channel. There is an incredible, interesting rumor out there. And this rumor, in my opinion, guys, in my opinion, of course, only, this could actually bring Ubisoft back, the stock, of course, but also if they would also produce some better games. Now at the moment they have a game production issue, but put this aside, my friends. So there is the big news. Here it is. Ubisoft could be coming back to Steam as Assassin's Creed Valhalla gets added to its database. So, and where do we find this information? So on Reddit there was rumor Assassin's Creed coming to Steam. A Steam version is added in Ubi Connect's database. So here UBRE is quoted in the GitHub page. So reverse engineering efforts surrounding the Ubisoft Connect launcher. So he was finding this out, and there is also a picture. So the Ubi tracker internal dev QC Assassin's Creed Valhalla Steam. Here it's written there. Steam, it's written. So I'm not a coder, guys. I'm not a coder. I'm also not a financial advisor, as I said, but this looks incredible, interesting. So maybe new Assassin's Creed games, one of those new games are coming back to Steam, and this, in my opinion, would be an incredible news. So let's see here on TradingView where we see at the moment Ubisoft stock, guys. So where's the stock? Oh my god! So we are at the 2015 2015 prices for the chair, so that's actually not so good. Also, if you compare it, if we say a Fibonacci retracement, we started this little bull run in 2012 after this would make sense, 2012. So here the Fibonacci retracements, we fell under it, and here I had a trend line in and we fell under the trend line. So there is a lot of negativity, my friends, in the Ubisoft stock. As you can see, market cap 3.5 billion still. Then Tencent bought a huge stake in Ubisoft. Now Ubisoft stock itself is probably not going to be taken over by some other company, so by some other huge gaming company. So there is now some sort of a block in the share. So all of this, of course, my friends, means that Ubisoft has to come back with better games, with more games, with interesting games. So Skull and Bones, for example, this I think has been postponed again. Other games, Beyond Good and Evil 2, have been cancelled. So there is a lot of negative and a lot of bad stuff going on with Ubisoft. And then if we look, for example, at their income statement, at the annual, net income of 79 million only, by revenue of 2.13 billion, which is actually decent. But then also quarterly, you see here that the net income is really going down and is now in the minus, so that's very bad. So revenue also year-over-year change, as you can see here, also going down. Operating expenses go up. Oh my god! So revenue goes down, expenses go up, net income went down massively. So that's a crazy number. I don't really understand to which this is related. Is this 21,000? That's weird. So EBITDA going up, effective tax rate, balance sheet here. Let's have a look at the balance sheet. Total assets. So total assets going up, total liabilities all going up even higher, cash and short-term investments. So return on assets, price to book 1.85, and shares outstanding 120 million. So total equity is 1.79. Return on capital going down, return on assets going down. And if you look at the cash flow, is just the net change in cash. So on an annual basis, we're in the minus. So you see also cash flow going down pretty much. So everything looks very bad. So I'm invested in Ubisoft. I thought it's a turnaround story at one point. Got a little bit disappointed myself that the turnaround story didn't really work out, because I think, when was I buying here? I was buying here around about so mid 21. So but it seems we got punished even more here. So since September the 6th, it's just like 50% down. So it's crazy. It's crazy that it's even down like since September here, 35%. And in year to date we are, let's if we really look on the highest value, they are 35% as well. You can read it over here. And if you go look at max, yeah, we are where we have been before the financial crisis. So if the turnaround story, if this with Steam is working out, so I could imagine that we are going back to a better stock price, so that there are some upside chances, opportunities. But at the moment, I'm not buying more Ubisoft shares. So if it goes now up, then that's it. That's okay for me. I have some Ubisoft shares, but if it's going down further, then it might get even more interesting. So for me, so maybe 15 euros, something like this from a mere chart perspective. So now I would have to calculate actually what this means then to the price earnings ratio. So I don't see any price earnings ratio. Is it because we have actually a negative earnings, that we don't have positive earnings anymore? Is this the problem? So we cannot really calculate the multiple here. So that's a good question, my friends. All right, I'm leaving it here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. See you the next time. Bye bye.